once again, welcome back to my channel. That was an interesting intro, but that was the mood that this hair color was giving me. So this is my New Year's hair tutorial type walkthrough. It's more of a walkthrough than a tutorial actually, but shout out to Lumiere hair for sending me this wig. It's a full lace wig. It came with 4 clips and a strap and a bomb hairline. They sent me an 18-inch, which looks way longer on me because I'm only 4'11", but I definitely love when the inches are above 20 inches because, you know, I'm just extra. But anyways, I got my hair braided into cornrows, and now he is just brushing my hair back so that when they put the cap on, it doesn't interfere, and you know, I can keep my edges and stuff. And then held it in place by blow drying it so it freezes. And then after that, he just went in with some Ghost Blonde glue on my sideburns so that the wig cap would stay in place the first go round. Yes, I know my dandruff is bad, so if you guys have any suggestions on how to minimize it, please let me know. Head and Shoulders is not working for me. I don't know what's going on. I think it's the winter or something, but I need some help. So if you have any tips and tricks, let me know in the comments. But anyways, back to the walkthrough. So right now he's just blow drying the hair. This is after my hairstylist used the water method to dye the hair. The wig had a minimal shedding, but what I did not like is that it was very dense. Like, it wasn't thick enough for my liking, which is why I have not recently been straightening it, because I like the fullness without flat ironing it. But other than that, it was a steal. So before applying the wig on officially, my hairstylist is just going through and customizing my hairline. He's plucking it and making sure it looks perfect. I never do this personally because this takes so much time, but obviously as a professional, you got this down pat. But now he's using, I don't know, I think it's Ghost Bond. And he's just making sure that it's an even layer. He put 2 layers, and once it is almost dry, then he applies my wig. And if it's looking like I'm having a good time, it's because I am. My hairstylist does an amazing job in making you feel comfortable and welcome and beautiful and like you are just that bitch. So shout out to Jonathan. Make sure y'all go check him out if you guys live in the Dallas area, or if you guys ever stopping in to visit some family members or something. So right now he's playing with the hairline and trying to quote unquote melt the lace into my scalp, make it look as natural as possible. Now would be the time where you would add foundation or concealer that matches your skin type to make it look even more natural, but I don't think that we did that this time. He uses an electric hot comb for my edges, and I purchased one, but I just can't seem to get the same effect when I do it. Maybe it's the product or something, but I'm definitely gonna work on it because I need to be able to do my hair without him. I feel like my hair skills suck now that I have went to him. It's ridiculous, but you know, practice makes perfect. So because the hair was kind of thin, we decided to go with some big beachy curls to give it some more volume. I'm gonna leave him curling my hair the whole clip for me for future references, because I do not know how to curl my hair that well. I feel like I take forever doing it and it just doesn't last and doesn't look that well. So yes, sis, if you don't know how to curl your hair that well either, just watch and take some notes. voila. So this is how it came out. I was in love. I was still torn between cutting it into a bob or leaving it long. I decided to leave it long, and if I wanted to cut it on later in life, if I don't sell it, then I would do so. You see this big old belly because I was 27 weeks at a time. By the time this video is out, I will be 28 weeks, so 7 months preggo. Oh God! So it is literally a week later, and this is what my hair is looking like. All I did was brush it. I haven't put a flyer into it in a couple days now. I just wrapped my hair, and that's literally it. This is what the frontal is looking like. I haven't touched it up. I haven't done anything, which y'all let me know if it needs to be touched up. Maybe a little bit on the sides, but it looks pretty natural. Every time I go somewhere, I forget that my hair looks like this, and I'm like, why are all of these people staring at me? But nah, it's the hair. I definitely got a whole bunch of compliments about this hair, and I'm loving it, but I just don't like the fact that I feel like I can't do much, or I can't wear what I want to wear, because otherwise I'm gonna look like a whole clown. But I love it. I really want to go just this color because I really love this color, and I like the orange, but I feel like maybe in curly or a bob would look better, and if it was by itself, because it's such a bold color. I don't know, let me know what you guys want to see next. Me and my hairstylist is gonna do a series. We're gonna attempt to do a series and then have a whole bunch of different crazy colors and stuff all the time. So let me know what you guys think I should do next. Let me know if he slayed this color. Let me know what was your favorite color that I had so far. Shout out to Lumiere hair for sending me this hair. I haven't experienced a shit ton of shedding, which is good because some companies' hair, they be falling out as soon as you touch it, and I haven't had that with this hair, so that's good, especially being dyed and stuff. But yeah, like the whole process was super quick. Like when I got to the salon, I think I was only there for an hour. Like shout out to him having an assistant, and I think he did the, it is 2 o'clock in the morning. Who's texted me? But I think he did the water method too, so that really sped things up. But yeah, shout out to my hairstylist. Look below if you're interested in who does my nails. My nail tech will be in the description. If you're interested in my hairstylist, that will be in the description. And if you're interested in the hair, that will be in the description as well. Make sure if you don't follow me on the gram, you follow me at OrtizV95. Keep up with the kid. I love you, Vanessa gang, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Say baby I love you. Say baby I love you. Baby I love you. Baby say baby I love